My name is G-Spot.
And I'm Sizzle.
Sizzle.
We're going to wrap your socks off now.
Please be quiet.
We'd ask you to refrain from
Please turn off all electronics.
He already said it.
Here we go. Up in this pizzo, we got the best for Rizzo. We have got to act, we speak the truth. So, I'm about to lose a tooth. Sorry, nothing in the song makes any sense, but we are the starters, and you're on the bench. Don't try to fight me, you don't have to come back. Try to jump me, and you're going to get a smack. There's the challenge, you get a sweet win, because you're in the back pedal, we're in the deep end. What I'm trying to say is we are golden and you're just poo. So have to cheat and make it a cool face.
It's time for G-Spot. Now it's getting hot. We're starting to boil like water in a pot. Walking in the building, you can see the ladies drop. After this verse, we're going straight to the top. People will be asking, are they ever going to stop? You know the answer. Clearly a no. We're going to take over the world, show by show. Even when we're old, even when we're bald, even if we're dead, our names will be called. So it doesn't matter if you bury us or burn us. Forever we will be going on in a furnace. I'm not done yet. I got more beats to spit. We are amazing. We are the shit. We are nice shirts. Now we are gonna spit one last verse. We got money. Yes, we do. We got money. How about you? We're so cool. You get nothing. You're a fool. Sweat so official. It is perfected. You got nothing perfect. You're defective. Now that you come here listening to a rap. G-Spot or Sizzle. How about that? We are rappers. We don't dance. So we do leave you with an extra stamp.